Hello students, now it's me Binod Shrestha. You're watching the Excellent Education channel. In this channel, you'll be getting a lot of lectures related to the mathematics. In today's lectures, I'll teach you the theorem number 1 of class 10. Okay, now let's get started. Here you are seeing the statement, prove that the median bisects the triangle into two equal halves. Okay, so here is the figure. Now see, the figure says is a triangle. Okay, ABC is a triangle. Here AD is the median. Okay, you are saying AD is the median. Median means what? It bisects the base BC. So we can write BD equals to CD. Okay, and this AD divides this triangle ABC such that a green triangle ABD and another yellow triangle ADC. Okay, ABC is a triangle in which AD is median, that is BD equals to CD, because the median always bisects the base. Here you are saying BD and CD are equal. Okay, here what we need to prove is the whole triangle is divided into two equal halves. That means you have to prove is this green triangle, the area of green triangle equals to the area of yellow triangle. Okay, so also triangle ABD, this green area, green triangle equals to triangle ADC, that is yellow triangle. For this we have to construct a perpendicular line. Let us draw AM perpendicular to BC. Okay, this AM perpendicular to BC. Let us draw AM perpendicular to BC. Okay, now you are seeing here a triangle ABD, a green triangle. Now see, you are looking here a green triangle ABD. What is the area of this triangle? So the area of this triangle ABD is the half base into height. So what is the base? Base is BD. And what is the height? The height is AM, because there is AM is perpendicular. So its area is, of course, area of triangle ABD equals to half the base BD into the height AM. Okay, so in statement number 1, what can we write? Area of triangle ABD equals to half BD into AM. What's the reason? Of course, the reason is area of triangle equals to half base into height. Similarly, here you are seeing the yellow triangle whose base is CD, whose base is what? CD or DC, and whose height is AM, whose height is what? AM. So what is the area of triangle ADC? So area of yellow triangle ADC equals to half CD into AM. Okay, right, is area of triangle ADC equals to half CD into AM. Of course, the reason is area of triangle equals to half base into height. Okay, students. Now look at this statement number 3. We know in statement number 3 the base are equal. That means BD equals to CD. So what we can write is this is C. Look at here, this BD equals to CD. So we can write statement number 3 is BD equals to CD. Of course, the given, it is given. Now statement number 4. Now statement number 4, you can see here from 1, 2 and 3. See, look at here. This is 1 and 2. The BD and CD are equal. Now see, in statement number 3, BD equals to CD. Look at here, the BD equals to CD. And next you are seeing here this AM equals to AM. This is AM equals to AM. So in 1 and 2 you are looking here, the right hand side is half BD into AM, and in 2 number half CD into AM. As BD and CD are equal, AM and AM are equal. So from 1, 2, 3, what can we say? This area of triangle ABD equals to the area of triangle ADC. And in reason we can write this is statement number 1, statement number 2, and statement number 3. This is how this theorem is proved. Thank you everyone. See you in the next theorem. Till then, have a good time. Bye bye.